IE matrix, also known as the internal-external matrix, is based off of two key dimensions. And so it's based off of the EFE matrix and the IFE matrix. It's both of its total weighted scores. And so for the also, this is also based upon like a specific strategy, because you're still using the weight from the EFE and the IFE matrix, but there's like an attractiveness score according to whatever the alternative strategic method is towards like fixing the problem of like increasing enrollment or increasing the graduation rate or something like that. So there's a weight and there's an attractiveness score, and you would treat it just like if it were the rate. So you would multiply the weight times the attractiveness score, and then you would get the total attractiveness score. And also I'd like to mention is just like the rate, and so 1 would be like least attractive and 4 would be most attractive according to how relevant it is towards the alternative strategic strategy. And so for the EFE, the total end up turning out to be 3.47. And for the IFE was 3.47, and the EFE was 2.68. And with the IE, it's in like 9 different components where you would fit into the IFE total weighted scores and the EFE total weighted scores. And so between that, they have 4.0 to 3.0 and 2.99 to 2.0. And so I place the EFE scores between 2.99 because their total weighted score was 2.68, so it would be between 2.99 and 2.20. And the one for the IFE is between the 1.99 to 1.0 because their score was they're actually placed between 4.0 to 3.0 because their score is 3.47, and that's how we got the IE matrix.